Hey, today's topic is about solving problems involving direct proportion using block model. Okay, so before to mag-start, so let's have a review. So 18 divided 3 is 6. Number 2, 32 divided 4 is 8. And number 3, 105 divided 3 is 35. Number 4, 108 divided 9 is 12. And lastly, 132 divided 6 is 22. Okay, next. I am a comparison of two quantities. Who I am. So what is the answer? Okay, the answer is ratio. Next. I am a statement of equality between two ratios. Who I am. So the answer is very good, proportion. Okay, what is direct proportion? So direct proportion means that when one quantity increases, the other quantity will also increases at the same rate and vice versa. So consider the illustration below. Tanawan natin ang illustration below. So yellow paint, and the other one is red paint. So the yellow and 2 red, 3 red. Okay. Okay, that is the ratio of color yellow to red. Example number 1. So the ratio of boys to girls in a class is 2 to 3. If there are 26 boys in the class, how many girls are there? So girls and boys using a block model. So that is the block. So there are 2 blocks and 3 blocks for the girls, 2 for the boys. So that is 26, 13. So we divide 26 to 2. So 13 plus 13 is 26, and we divide 26 into 3. So there are 39 girls. So the answer is there are 39 girls. So how we get the answer 39. So let's have the ratio. 2 is to 3 is equal to 26 is to n. So that is cross product of 2/3 and 26 over n. 2 times n, and another one is 3 times 26. So divide both sides by 2. 2n and 78 divided by 2 both sides. So the answer is 78 divided 2 is 39. So muna yun sa ito pagkuha sa 39 nga answer. So next. Example number 2. A car is able to travel 210 km in 3 hours. How far can it travel in 5 hours? So from 3 hours, we compute the distance traveled by the car by 5 hours. So solution, let n be the distance traveled by the car in 5 hours. So this is how we solve. Distance is equal to time over distance and time. So 210 km is equal to 3 hours, and 210 kilometers over n is equal to 3 hours over 5 hours. So 210 times 5 is equal to n times 3. So we come up 1050 over 3 is equal to 3n. So divide both sides by 3. 1050 divided 3 is, the n is 350 kilometer distance traveled in 5 hours. So therefore, uh, the distance traveled by the car in 5 hours is 350 kilometers. Okay, example number 3. In the relief operation for typhoon victims, 120 families in the evacuation center had consumed 1,500 kilos of lentil rice for 3 weeks. If there were only 1,000 kilos of lentil rice, how long will the family consume this volume of rice? So, let's find out how many days or how many weeks ma-consume ang 100 kilos ng NF rice. So, let's have our solution. Let n be the number of weeks. So, number of kilos of rice over number of weeks is equal to number of kilos of rice over number of weeks. So, if unsay quantity na to, same quantity sa atbang. So, weeks, kilos of rice, and kilos of rice. So, let's substitute the value. So 1,500 is equal to 1,500 over T is equal to 1,000 over N. So cross product 1,500 times N is equal to 3 times 1,000. So 1,500 N divide both side by 1,500. So 1,500 divide 1,500 is equal to 3,000 divide 1,500. So the answer is 2. Therefore, 100 kilos of NF rice will be consumed in 2 weeks. So nakuha na nato ang answer. So sa 1,000 kilos ng NF rice, makuha na siya sa 2 weeks na consume sa mga evacuees or sa mga victim sa typhoon. Okay? Thank you for watching.